I'd like to invite you to do a little exercise with me. I'm going to ask you to take a moment and close your eyes. And in this moment, when you close your eyes, just take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. I'm inviting you to imagine yourself in a room, a beautiful space, one of your favorite spaces, a place where you would go to celebrate with family and friends and colleagues, because that is where you're going to launch your book. So I want you to imagine that space. What does it look like? What do you see around you? Imagine the people that you would invite to this event to celebrate the launch of your book. See their faces. See them smiling. What are they wearing? How are they greeting you? Your spouse, your children, your parents, your family, friends, colleagues, anyone that you would want to bring together for this event, see them in your mind's eye now. Then I invite you to look to your right and see a table. And on that table, there are piles of your book. Yes, your book. I want you to go to the table and pick up a copy of your book and hold it in both your hands. Feel the weight of the book in your hands. Look down at the book and see your name on it. Trace the letters. That's your name. And that's your book. Whatever it is for you, sis, is it's your story, it's your message, it's the knowledge, it's what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has gifted you and that you are now gifting to the world. I want you to feel the book in your hands. How does it feel? And I want you to imagine everyone who is at this event with your book in their hands and see them smiling, see them saying, MashaAllah, and congratulating you and hugging you. See them picking up more books to take with them, to take and give as gifts and give to colleagues and give to family and give to friends. And I want you to imagine these books flying off the table, flying off the shelf and going out into the world with everybody after the launch is over. See your books going into other people's homes, going onto their bedside tables, onto the bookshelves, into the libraries, into the bookshops. And I want you to imagine every single time somebody reads your book and is inspired and is reminded and is comforted and gains knowledge and gains experience and benefits, I want you to imagine, ka-ching! I want you to imagine the reward. I want you to imagine the reward every time someone laughs through their tears. Ka-ching! Every time somebody remembers Allah's favor on them. Ka-ching! Every time somebody realizes that they don't have it that bad and it will get better. Ka-ching! Every time you offer hope. Ka-ching! Every time you offer comfort. Ka-ching! Every time you issue a warning or a reminder. Ka-ching! 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 And imagine the reward piling up, tens, hundreds, thousands, going on and on and on, even after you are gone. Allahu Akbar. Come back to the room. Take a deep breath. Open your eyes. And I want you to tell me in the chat how that feels for you.